It's a 2017 Honda Civic hatchback. It was thoughtfully designed, yet is rebellious by nature, creating an energetic and unmistakable drive. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, wireless phone connectivity, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Car and Driver finds its design is sleek and fastback-like, with a large, severely raked greenhouse that no longer includes frumpy front quarter windows. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.